So if you've not signed up, there are many tips over there that you can use to grow your business. Because over here, people really only want to hear about notary, all things notary. And I get that. So that's why I created that other channel. And then my third channel, for those of you who do not know, is called Healthy Life with Kimmi. And over there, I document my weight loss journey, which is kind of tricky right now. But I'm actually doing some cooking. My cooking segments over there are really popular. My husband and I, we do some cooking together, and you kind of just get to see in my life a little bit more, my personal life. So, don't judge me because I get a chance to talk all things over there. So a little bit looser on my Healthy Life channel. So everything is Healthy Life with Kimmi, Business Life with Kimmi, and Notary Life with Kimmi. See, I'm uncomplicated, y'all. All right, let's see. Anne Marie says, I'm getting mine set up with pay options and will be utilizing the mentorship program soon. Yes, we would love to have you. Yeah. Yep. And you don't have to be in a mentorship program forever either. You come in, get what you need, and you can go. I mean, we're not trying to hold you hostage because someone always needs help. So you might come in for like 4 months and say, I need mentorship for about 4 months. I want to get myself together, and then you be able to fly. Okay. So that's a great thing. I might even see about setting up a 3-month option for people. They can just come in like 3 months, and that let them know it's not a commitment for the rest of your life. You sign up for 3 months, and then get what you need, get your business up and running, and then you can go, because it also gives you access to us. We meet weekly. Last night we met about the wedding officiant business, how to start it. Some of the other topics were Google My Business, ChatGPT. Next month, we'll be discussing field inspections. And I don't have the whole list for next month, but check it out. I always put the calendar over on notaryeducatorsllc.com under the new mentorship tab. Okay. So let's see. Will you do an update on having a Google Biz page? I can do that. I can. I need to write it down because I'll forget. Let me get a pen. With Google My Business though, it's changed a little bit. But the Google Business video that I have out already is really a good one. But I will go over it. I don't mind going over it. I don't mind. Yes, ma'am. I appreciate y'all. Oh, it's my pleasure. Yes, I'll do a live or something about the Google Business page though. I'll probably bring Alexis on for that one too, because she's really good at that one. She actually helps maximize people pages and build them out and stuff. So I'll see, can we get that one jointly on the live here? And of course, we go deeper in mentorship. That was my plan. You are the best. Set me up for success. Oh, my pleasure. You're so sweet. We appreciate it. Yeah. So like I said, you don't have to stay forever. You really don't. Get what you need and then go. That's what I would do. And then, that's what I was saying about mentorship. So we have the free group me as part of the mentorship. And when you're for those of you who are just joining, welcome. Go back and watch the replay from the beginning to go over topic. Now we're just kind of talking about business stuff. But with the mentorship too, you have access to the group me. And that's our way of communicating. We call you too if we have to. But we put things there because we want everybody to learn. So your same question that you have, somebody else probably got the same question. So that's why we have the group meet initially to get started with any questions. And then whatever it is, though, right now somebody needs help with their Google page. I need to follow up and make sure they're getting that assistance that they needed. So great topic. Hey, thank you, Doretta. Thank you. Robin says, I've watched that one Nita live. Thanks. Oh, okay. Okay. Actually, I have about 8 videos. I know you ain't watched all 8, Robin, about Google My Business. I know you did not. Tell me if you watched like 8 or 9. I got 8 or 9 videos on this channel about Google My Business. Did you watch all of them? Let me know. Let me know. I know you didn't. Tell me the truth. Did you watch? I got about 8 or 9 videos on this channel about Google My Business. Let me get Robin's answer, and then I'm going to get ready to get out of here for real because it's almost 1 o'clock. I was going to say till 1:30. No, but I'll find it at 6. Okay. Yeah, but I'll get with Alexis and see, can we plan that coming up soon, okay? When is the sale over, or did I miss it already? No, The sale is still on. We got, actually, I'm glad you asked that, Tiffany. We got the specials on one too. So if you prefer to learn privately, you want your own private session, Notarize Like a Pro A to Z, those are on sale too. So check it out at the website under the one-on-one tab, okay? For private training. If you want your own lesson and you say, I don't want to be in a class with nobody else. But I'm going to tell y'all the truth. Group training has its pluses. Group training has its pluses. I'm going to talk about this really quick and then I am going to go. The reason I said group training has its pluses, one, is cheaper. Okay, one, you get the same information, right? Well, the workshop is a little bit different than Notarize Like a Pro A to Z. So you can do your research and see which class you prefer. Okay, price point and topic wise. So check that out at the website. But last week's class, everyone had asked different questions. And when you're asking different questions and you're hearing different people's perspective, maybe even from where they're located, differences, their state laws a little bit different, it kind of gets you to really thinking. And that's how you become such a well-rounded notary. So I love the classroom setting. We do it by Zoom and it's been very effective. We've been doing it for years. It's 5-star rated. So just see what type of student you are. Do you prefer self-paced at your own leisure? You do it when you want to, you know? So anyway, I am going to head out. Yeah, so see what works best for you, okay? I thank you all so much for the feedback on the site today, too. That was priceless. Thank you, guys. I really appreciate it, okay? So I will see you guys soon. Have a great weekend. Okay, bye.